welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. It's me again, Daniela Ogboki. Merry Christmas to you all. This is the beef skate we are using today for our Christmas. We're still on Christmas cooking. We make a lot of cook this time. We can't put all of them together in one video, so we put them in different videos. You will see them one by one. This one is one of them. So this is what we are as using for it. So what I will be using as ingredient of this one is this. I'll be using grinding onions, and then this red bell pepper, and these ones, and all these ingredients I will call their name one after the other. But right now I will start from this one, then I will blend this one. Pepper we just grind. So I will be putting all the ingredients. I'm using a Maggi, this is salt, ginger powder, garlic powder, and curry, thyme, and bay leaf. So just mixing this. I want to do one look at something inside. So this is blended crayfish. Just different taste. Fish inside. Okay, so yeah, I will just mix them together. Mix and mix and mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. Okay, this one already mixed by itself. So I will leave this one inside the fridge for like 4 hours. Those are the two little one following. Yeah, we'll leave it for fridge, cover it and put it in fridge for 4 hours. I'll be back. So this is 4 hours after. But if you are doing this kind of meat, if you have time to do it daybreak, a meal overnight, that will be very, very, very good if you're doing it overnight. So yeah. So I will just cover it like this and put it. That one do not work. Okay, yeah, I will just put it over. This is where we are right now, and it is really going on well. So yeah, we still have to give like a half an hour before it's good to serve. Still remember, it's still Christmas dinner. Everything is going on well. Yeah, see you guys soon. So see, I'll be putting this barbecue sauce now. This is just a choice too, eh? And this one, CSS. Jesus. Yeah. There's a lot. I'll just miss some. This one. This one too. Okay, I'll be do this one. Okay. Yeah. See, this is the end of the video. So I will just turn. It's already ready to serve. It's choice if you want to put it back to oven for 1-2 minutes. It's still if you don't want to, that's okay. Yeah, this is how I'll be leaving mine like this. I'm put the two tray together for one because I already called them and they are ready to. So thank you for watching and have a nice day and have a nice Christmas and holiday. Bye. Okay, so yeah, we're done for Christmas preparation, and this is everything we made for today. So if you want to find any of them, they are in different videos, so just join it together. Just yeah, you can find them on our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. Just different. This one is the skate one, barbecue one. That's the turkey.